we did it for life. Was noticing all these frames got me trimming the knife. Always on some new thing like riding the bike. Let's do things in one setting, but I don't feel like selling for the time being. When I was young I used to dream about the palm trees. After the summer achievements I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it, in reality you running out of options. Starting to see the coffin with the Bible preach. I'm way ahead on a private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of a magazine. I got the flavor doing push-ups on the coca bean. Doing all the things you can't imagine what it might be. All these women trying to write me. I get the message now, I know they wanna wife me. And I didn't mention all the bruises, I just went through all the heat. I broke through all the edges like a right cheek. Yeah, I come and go like a round. They don't want the two be going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rubies in my lap, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mold like I'm running from the popo, yeah. Yeah, that's been my whole life, you know. Ever since a little kid, I didn't know what to do. They just told me, you done took all you stole.